when I finished my HSC in science faculty, I want to do agriculture graduation. For that purpose, I would talk with my father related to this topic, and he suggests me to meet one of my cousin. He is doing job in Agriculture College, Kolhapur. That's why on the next second day, I go to Kolhapur and meet my cousin and discuss the topic related to admission process and all that things. At the same time, he told me that this is not my concern. You just go with your own and do the admissions and all that things. And after getting your admission, don't tell anyone that you are my relative. I really get shocked because of his opinion and his talk. But I took admission for agriculture college. I go daily with the daily schedules and lectures and other field activities and all that things. Meanwhile, I feel so homesick because of first time I from first to 12 and first time apart from my family staying in the hostels and doing one-to-one with all the other state peoples and so many peoples from other regions. In that case, I felt that I asked so many people, sir, how you can adjust here, that you are coming from so many long places, that Tamil Nadu, Nepal, Arunachal Pradesh and all that things. But they say they are coming for some reasons, from goals. They have some dreams in their life, and for that you have to adjust your life in this condition. You have to stay away from your family, and I also appreciate all that things and make good friends with so many other state peoples. These all people, and in between I will felt that all these peoples don't get time to go their native places because of the hectic schedules and all that timetable of our college. And at that time, our friend circle arranged one common up for all that other state people to make comfortable them to go their native places, and after finishing few days holiday with their family, they again come and do the daily college life. And for that we convince so many friends, so many our office staff, so many sirs, that we want to arrange this common up, and we want to do this common up successful for this purpose. But the professors and all that things are not in our favor to do all that things, because 80% present is compulsory for doing the semester exams. But we are decided to do this common of successful for these people to go their native places and come again with a refreshed mind. And likewise we arrange all that things and we make the common of successful. When our friends come from the native place, they are really happy because of the successful common of, as they get a really good time to spend with their families. And because of that, we make one party after the holidays. And at that time I felt really good that what is the value of relationship, what is the value of friendship. And that level I really feel that relationship is really a important task in our life. From that level I start interaction with so many friends, so many classmates, so many seniors, so many juniors peoples, with my sirs, and to know their opinions, how they live their lives and how make their life comfortable. And related to that, I make so many contacts, and I love making the friendship, making the relationship, building the relationship and all that things. After completion of my graduation, I come in Mumbai to start my career in pest control field, and I joined one company as a marketing manager. When I got the opportunity as a marketing manager, at that time I meet many peoples, likewise many 2 to 3 peoples per day from different sectors, and I really love my job because every day I meet 2 to 3 new persons, and there is chance to me to know about their nature, about their business, what is their requirements, and how can I fulfill that requirement with my marketing strategy and all that things. And because of that, I make so many business relations and so many family relations because of the marketing strategies and all that things when I do one-to-one with all the people. And it really make me proud that I am doing the marketing job, and with that my hobby, that is making personal relations, is getting developed day by day. Meanwhile, because of my helping nature, because of my relation making and all that things, my all office staff is also so comfortable with me, and I am in every time I am in action to help my staff related to any topic. Because of that, I got one precious thing in my life, that is one of my lady colleague is get impressed on all those things, and she is now my wife. And the times goes, and I started my own company to explore myself. And after that I really feeling so comfortable because of the all relations. And when I started my company, so many my old clients they called from their side and asked me, अरे अविनाश तूने कंपनी खोला, तूने पेस्ट कंट्रोल का ये स्टार्ट किया, लेकिन तूने मुझे बताया नहीं. I don't expect all that things from my old clients, and they called from their side and asked me if you have any problem related to marketing or any problem related to funding, you just tell me, we will arrange for you. And I really feel that अरे जो मैंने मार्केट में इतने दिन बिताया, मैंने जो रिलेशन मेंटेन की है, उसका आज मुझे कुछ तो सामने लोगों ने मुझे कॉल करके पूछा कि यार if you are any requirement, you just tell me. And from my customer, that is very proud for me. Then when I started my company, my vision is that to make a company in such a way that you just make your customer comfortable and make the relations beyond your business, that you can, when you maintain the relations with the business, no one can stop you doing your business or to achieving your goals. Meanwhile, I joined BNI. I love the culture of BNI. I love the peoples which are here in BNI. And really, miss, आज उसकी वजह से मैं जो BNI में आज एक नेचर, लोगों का नेचर है दूसरों को हेल्प करने का, जो BNI की पॉलिसी है गिव अस गेन. एंड मुझे भी बहुत उसमें ये फील हो रहा था कि यार दिस इज़ रियली गुड प्लेटफॉर्म टू एक्सप्लोर माई बिजनेस, टू डेवलप द रिलेशनशिप विद सो मेनी गुड पीपल्स. एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हियर टू explain all that things, because the relationships, the building relationship and making friends and making business is our part of life. But it is depend only on you, that how can you are carrying with your business relations, family relations, all the things in your life.